Computer hardware.
The parts of a computer that we can see and touch are called hardware. All input processing, output, and storage devices form the hardware components of a computer system. For example, keyboard, mouse, etc.
The hardware components are divided into 4 groups: input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. The devices that are used to enter data into the computer and give orders are called input devices.
Let us study about some of the commonly used input devices.
Keyboard. A keyboard is used to give input to the computer by typing numbers, letters, and special characters. Mouse. A mouse is used to send instructions to the computer with the click of a button. It is also used to draw pictures and select objects on the computer monitor. It is also called a pointing device. Scanner. A scanner is used to read paper documents, images, or pictures and send them as input into the computer. Joystick. A joystick is used to play games on a computer. It helps to control the different movements in the game. Touch screen. A touch screen is used to enter data by simply touching the screen. While using a touch screen, a finger acts as a pointing device and the object on the screen is selected using a finger. The result is also shown on the screen. So, it is both an input device and an output device. Microphone.
A microphone is an input device. It is used to record voice, music, and sounds that can be stored on a computer.
Web camera. A web camera is used to take pictures in digital form and store photographs in the computer. It is also known as webcam. Light pen. A light pen is used to point to objects or draw on the screen in a way like a touch screen. Processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processing device that works on input and sends the result to the output devices. The CPU is a chip which is placed inside the CPU box. CPU is also called the brain of a computer as it is responsible for all the work done. A CPU is further divided into 3 parts: ALU, CU, and MU. Arithmetic and Logic Unit, ALU. ALU does all the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. It also does comparisons like greater than, less than, equal to, etc. Control Unit, CU. CU coordinates and controls all the parts of the CPU. The CU gets the data and instructions from the memory unit and passes them to the ALU in a step-by-step manner. Memory Unit, MU. The CPU also has a memory like human beings. It stores the data and instructions that you give to the computer along with the results of the processing. Output devices.
The result we get after processing is called output. The devices which help us to get these results or outputs are called output devices. Let us study about some of the commonly used output devices.
Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It is also known as Visual Display Unit, VDU. The monitor shows the data that you input and its result, output, after the computer processes it. Speakers. Speakers are used to hear music, voice, and sound on a computer. Headphones. Headphones are used to listen to music and sound without disturbing others as they are worn by an individual. But wearing them for a long time can affect your hearing power and cause damage to your ears. Printer. A printer is used to print the result of the work done by the computer on paper. We can print documents, drawings, images, etc. in black and white as well as in color using a printer. There are two types of printers. Laser printer. It uses a laser beam to print the hard copy. Inkjet printer. It sprays ink on the paper to print the hard copy. Plotter. A plotter is used to print big sketches, diagrams and maps on long sheets of paper. They are used by engineers, architects, scientists and designers. Projector. A projector projects or displays data of computer screen on a large screen or surface for audience. The image shown by the projector is larger in size than shown on the monitor. Smart board. A smart board is used in classrooms as a teaching tool. It is an interactive board that displays information with the help of a projector. Storage devices. The devices that are used to store data are called storage devices. There are many storage devices to store our data or work so that we can get it back whenever we need it.
Let us discuss about some of the commonly used storage devices.
Memory card. A memory card is a storage device. It is mainly used in mobile phones, digital cameras, and other similar devices to increase their storage capacity. It is very small in size and is easily portable.
DVD. These look like CD, but they can store a large amount of data. Pen drive. It acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use. Pen drive has storage capacity of up to 1 TB.